Here I'm just combing my eyebrows into place with a spoolie. So I just brush up and then I bring them down. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side and to the direction I would prefer it to go. Next, I'm taking my dark brown eyebrow pencil and I am just lightly doing light strokes underneath my eyebrow, and then I'm going to do the same thing at the top, and then I'm going to fill it in just lightly. Please go lightly. After that, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side.
I'm beginning to fall in love.
Next, I am taking my concealer and my angle brush, and I am lightly going underneath my brow to create that arch look. Then I'm going to blend it downwards. Keep going, and then blend it. Make sure everything looks neat and clean, and then use my finger to blend it out. Now I'm going to be taking the concealer and applying it with my angle brush above my brow lightly. You have to be very careful so it doesn't go into your brow, or it's kind of hard to clean it out. And then I bring it down and then I will blend. Next, I'm going to do the same thing to the next brow. I'm just going to use the concealer and clean underneath my brow very lightly, and just that complete arch. And then I'm just going to blend it down. Make sure everything is blended into my skin and it's clean and it's a perfect arch.
I'm all alive. If the point got to my head, say make I deny you, I go tell them, say lie. Don't be like, yeah. I fit spend all of my money on you. Spend a couple million on you.
Here I'm just going over doing any final touches. I just brush over my brows, both brows, make sure everything is in place, and if I have to add any concealer, then I'll just add it and then just blend, and I am finished.
I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love.
And these are the products I used. I used a spoolie with an angle brush attached to it. I use LA Girl Concealer. My brow pencil is LA color as well, and a beauty blender, and that is basically it. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Any questions, leave them at the bottom.